Hi! In front of me is POCO C40 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this smartphone. First of all, select an app, for example Chrome. Now you need to click on this square button and hold your app. Following that, click on this icon with two rectangles under padlock and click on the other app from background ones or choose Home button and select any other one, for example Play Store. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!